Want to create cool opening videos that look smooth, modern, and professional like this? Let's get into the tutorial. First, import 4 photos or videos and music into your timeline. Make sure to set your aspect ratio and remove original audio if necessary. Then adjust the duration of your clips and music. Next, change the scale of all clips to 50%. Arrange them according to your layout. To make things easier, disable the other clips by pressing V on your keyboard. Set the final movement position, then add keyframes to all clips. Select the first clip, add keyframe at the beginning, and move the clip upwards. Enable the second clip by pressing V. Move the playhead 10 frames, or press Shift and right arrow. Position the clip, add keyframe, then move it upwards. Repeat the same steps for the remaining clips. To make the results smoother, add fade and animation to each clip. Press play to preview the result. Great! You've successfully created a professional opening video in CapCut Desktop. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques. Make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.